Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ladonnajanay. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are old, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the post notification bell, so that way you are notified every time that I upload. So for today's video, I did a review on this hair that I received from Abbily. I believe that's how you say it. Abbily hair from Amazon. Yes, this is an Amazon human hair wig. Less than $100, you guys. And this is a 16-inch 4x4 closure wig. So I received this hair from Abbily hair, which is a human hair wig. It's 16 inches, so it's pretty short. Later on, I'm going to probably go in and add some curls to it, you know, to zhuzh it up. But this hair, you guys, I absolutely recommend it to you for the summer. It's lightweight, it's easy. You're gonna love this wig. I guarantee you, you're gonna love this wig. It is a little thin, but it's definitely okay because it's short. So you don't want your short hair to be too heavy. At least I don't. So I absolutely love it. And that's like the only thing that I would say is the problem, is that it's thin, but it's only a problem if you like thick hair. But for me personally, there's no problems at all when it comes to this wig. It's perfect. It bleached like a dream. I do not have a stocking under here or anything. It's just my hair, as you guys will see. After this, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look and how I bleach the knots and how I put it on and everything like that. I'm going to be showing you guys all of that later on in the video. If you guys enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys like this, even though I know you are. But all right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch and see how I achieved this gorgeous hair that I received from Abbily hair. I am going to link all of the information down below in the description box, so make sure that you guys check that out and click the link just to look at the hair. I do recommend it. I do believe that you guys are going to love this hair. It is super beautiful, and I have no bad things, honestly, to say about this hair. Like, honestly, it reminds me of my own natural hair. Like, come on, look at that. No baby hairs, no nothing. Look at this. That's the where the closure ends, but ain't nobody gonna see that. But other than that, do you guys see? So gorgeous. Amazon, less than $100 for a 16-inch wig. Go click the link down below.
If you were everything I wanted you to be, when I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. Yeah. I finally found Ladonnajanay. If you were everything I wanted you to be, when I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. Yeah. I finally found what you think I finally found the wrong in you. You think I finally found what you think I finally found the wrong in you. You think So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? And I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found out what's wrong. I finally found the wrong in you.
All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you do at least check out the hair. Like I said, I highly do recommend it. My sister loves it. My nieces were playing in it. This is like your go-to summer wig. I kid you guys not. You're going to love it. And it's less than $100. Less than $100. Okay. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you did, like I said, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next one, you guys, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye, guys.